Hello everyone. In the previous session, we talked about data science and its applications. Now, let's talk about how to become a data scientist and the career prospects around it. In 2012, Thomas Davenport and DJ Patil published an article in the Harvard Business Review where they mentioned data scientist as the sexiest job of the 21st century. Since then, there is a lot of growing interest in the term data scientist. And soon, being a data scientist has become one of the most sought-after profession. According to Glassdoor, data scientist is one of the most popular job titles in US, with a job satisfaction score of 4 out of 5. In US, the average base salary of a software engineer is $96,000, and that of a data scientist is close to $113,000. Another study by Forbes shows that data science and analytics jobs remain open, an average of 45 days, 5 days longer than the market average. The reason being a shortfall of skilled data scientists in the industry. According to IBM, demand for data scientists will grow 28% higher by 2020. In short, there is a growing demand, but not enough supply, for seasoned data scientists. So, there is a world of opportunities for seasoned data scientists. By the way, who is a data scientist, and what do they do? Let's understand in this session. The term data scientist does not have any single definition. According to the same Harvard Business Review article, during 1980s and 1990s, computer engineers and Wall Street quant were the hot occupations in business. Today, data scientists are similar to the Wall Street quants of the 1980s and 1990s. Data scientists are the key people to make the most of data, especially the big data. They bring structure to data. They discover interesting patterns within it, generate data-driven insights. And finally, they advise executives on how to design better products, effective processes, and help to make efficient decisions. Every data, when viewed from several angles, has a story. Data scientists communicate the story with convincing facts, provide predictions about what is going to happen next, and suggest the best course of action to grow business. During the process, they also become the trusted advisors of the business leaders. So, the question is, what does it take to become a data scientist? In a nutshell, a data scientist is an academician with business knowledge and technical expertise. An ideal data scientist has a quantitative background. They are usually grads in maths, statistics, computer science, operations research, etc. They also have good programming skills in R, Python, C, C++, Java, and so on. They have good soft skills, for example, problem solving, logical thinking, good communication skills, business understanding, and being inquisitive like a detective. A data scientist is no statistician, it means not only statistician. They are, in fact, jack of all trades. There is an interesting quote from someone. It says that a data scientist knows more statistics than a computer engineer and knows more computer science than a statistician.